I need 8, right? Reds, silver. There's red, green, gold, and silver. So 2, 4, 6, 8. There we go. That's all I need. I have a needle threaded with black embroidery floss. I have, where's the other one? There we go. 2 silver, 2 gold, 2 red, and 2 green and 2 red. Let's try to get our colors right. I did learn them. How do I want to arrange these? Oh, let's do them like this. And let's turn all the bows facing up and going side to side. Okay, now I want to go top, side, back, side, top. So let's do that. So this is going to be coming in from the side and then going across the top. So I think like that. And then came out there, so it should go in here. And it's going to go across this side, so I think I want to aim it that way. I'm expecting to have to go around a couple of times because one thread is not going to hold it. And I'll probably have to adjust the tension too. Okay, so now it's going to go into the side and then the next joint. Okay, so the hinge is going to be on this side and then on the bottom. So from here down to the bottom. This is going to be a really strange folding cube. I hope it works. Alright, now it's going to come, so this is going to be like this. Let me turn it so that I can see what I'm doing. Alright, so it's going to go in the bottom. And then the next one will be this side. Like that. Okay. Alright, this, don't like that. Okay, like that. Alright, so now this is going to come, the hinge is on the side, and then here it's going to come out the top. So it's going to go kind of diagonally across the cube and out. Here is where I want it to come. Alright. I'm going to turn everything halfway around because otherwise I'll be trying to sew away towards myself and that's just not going to work. Alright. So here's the thread coming out here. Now I want it to go in here and then the next hinge will be on this side. So here, and I'll aim for the bottom. I said the bottom, I meant the bottom of this side, because it's got to go in from this side. Let's see, about there. And now the next hinge is the bottom of this, so like that. Okay. Now it's going to go in the bottom of this and then out the side of this from here to here, this side. So I'm going to kind of turn this over. So here it's coming in the bottom and then out this edge. Okay. And then from the side here, it's going to go in basically the same place that that went in, so. Alright, I didn't get it quite in the corner, along this edge. I got it a little too far to this side, but I think that's okay. It's going to go in here, and now it needs to come out the top. Where did I put it? So the first time I went, the top was right there, so I'm going to aim for over here. Easily said, a little bit harder to do. So I want to aim for like right there. Well, that's not too bad. Oh, I really ripped that out well. There's my starting point. I could just tie these. Should I tie them? Let's test first. Does it work? Does it roll? And then, fold the cupboard doors. And open it this way. Yeah, that'll work. But it's not very secure. What if I tighten it? I feel like I should go around again, but I'm also afraid that if I put too many holes in it, it's going to rip more. So I think at this point I'm just going to tie it. I'm going to leave these a little bit long for now. I'll clean up and test it out. Let's see. Well, it works. I mean, it's not great, but it functions. And then we're back to the start. How about that? So there is my Christmas present magic cube. Yes, I am going to trim these. If I can find them. Alright, there we go. Tie it once more. Square knot. Did I do a square knot or was it a granny? I think it was a square knot. Alright, I'll clean up my background and do a final display. So here it is.